We are in the kitchen, and I'm liking what I see right here, joined by Patrick Hollingsworth and Jenna Hassett. They are with Cajun Steamer. How are you all doing?
Doing fantastic.
Doing great.
Fantastic. What do you have right here, Patrick?
I'm going to be making our Cajun Crunchy Ahi tacos. It's part of our summer LTO, as well as our new Paloma cocktail over here. So I'm going to start out by blackening this ahi tuna steak
Okay.
heavily, and then we'll get both sides. I've already got my oil hot over here,
Right.
so I'm going to season that up really well.
Oh, yeah. I love it when we get seasoning going all over the place.
Right.
And you've got this on high right now, or what?
Yep,
And how long will you have that searing for?
about 90 seconds on one side and about 60 on the second side.
Okay, well, while we're letting that go, we're going to ask Jenna some questions about Cajun Steamer. Where are you located?
We are located in the Market Square Shopping Center. We're in Cahaba Heights. We're at 3151 Green Valley Road. We are right across the street from Mudtown, right next door to Ashley Mack's. Great neighbors, so happy to be there. It's in the old Blackwells location, so if y'all are familiar with that, that's where we're at. We love it. It's a fantastic location. Cahaba Heights is the cutest little community.
Right.
Super happy to be there.
Yeah, so our viewers are going, okay, if we go and do we get some of this? What else do you get other than these ahi tacos?
Oh man, we got so many options. So we actually have a lot of summer LTOs happening right now. We have our boudin queso, which is going to be a Creole boudin mix, and it's going to be in this queso blanco. It's got fresh jalapenos, it's got cilantro. Patrick is the man. He knows all about it, so he can tell you more about it, but it's 10 out of 10. I'd eat it every single day if I had the opportunity.
Well, let's just keep that camera on there. Greg was beating me to it. You're searing this for how long now?
90 seconds on the first side and about 60 seconds on the other side.
Right, and of course, is it normally thick like this? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
So that's how you do it. Now me, when I do that, I probably turn it on the side just a little bit. You don't have to do that, right?
No.
I do that at home, and I shouldn't do that.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's not going to hurt me or
No.
anything, right? Okay, then where do we go from here, Patrick?
Well, I started filling the taco, so we slightly deep fry flour tortillas to make them kind of a puffy, crunchy taco.
Okay.
And then I've made a cilantro crema. It's sour cream, roasted garlic pepper, fresh lime juice, lime zest.
Which one is that? Where's this?
This is the cilantro cream.
Yeah.
We got some pickled onions, fresh cilantro, and some limes to squeeze.
Yeah, and is that some sort of cabbage?
It's a marinated cabbage with fresh lime juice, salt, and pepper.
So you marinate it with some lime juice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. We'll carve this up for the tacos.
Smells delish, doesn't
Oh,
it, Jenna?
it's so good. We did quite a few quality control tests on this. So
Yeah, without a
I
doubt.
can tell you, it tastes good for sure.
So how thick do you normally cut those for these tacos?
About 1/4 of an inch,
Be very careful with the knife, right?
always.
Yeah, we got about a minute, so we're doing good. Looks good with that. And you're just layering a couple of slices on each taco?
Oh, for sure. And I save a couple bites for myself.
Yeah, no, I'm going to steal one way.
Oh, go for it.
I'm
Oh, yeah.
sorry, you know.
I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with the cilantro lime crema.
Oh, so good.
Oh, isn't it?
I love that.
Perfect bit of spice.
That Cajun seasoning is fantastic. Just enough kick.
Pickled onions.
Yeah, I like that too. What does that do for the taste buds?
It gives a little bit of acid. Sweet. And then some fresh cilantro.
Oh, those look good. And you can put however much of the creamer and stuff on that you
Oh,
like,
yeah,
right?
for sure. And then we'll finish the plating up.
Yep.
There we
Yeah, go right on ahead. Yeah. So this right here, you can get this on your menu then, right?
Yes, sir. Only for a limited time though, so y'all gotta.
And the
commit.
hours real quick, Jenna?
So we're open Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then we've got Sunday brunch, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But we're open until 9 p.m. on Sundays.
The ahi tacos right there. We got Patrick, we got Jenna. It looks good there, Matt. Try to top that.